Today in my kitchen, I'm going to be doing a little Jamaican something in Andrea's Trini kitchen. Alright, I just feeling for some jerk chicken. So here I have some chicken, some fresh chicken thigh. Alright, and you see what I say here? All natural fresh chicken thigh. I paid $6.81 for this, and this is 4 pounds 3 ounces. Alright, so what I do, I make a slit here. See, you've got some skin on it. I like to take out my skin. Some people like to keep the skin on, but I like to take my skin off. So I'm taking the skin off. Okay, so I have my chicken about this size. My daughter told me she wanted smaller than that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it a little smaller. Alright, be careful when you're cutting this chicken before you cut your hand off. So this is the size we're going to be using. Okay? Alright, you see them bones and them projecting here? You have to be careful when you're eating that chicken. When you cut it, that you don't choke on these bones. But I'm going to cut it a little smaller. Alright? You just find where the bone is and cut through. Alright. Alright, look at that. Alright, I think that is enough here. So what I do now, you know, being Trinidadian, being Caribbean, you always wash your meat with lemon. Some people use vinegar. And you run it under cold water. You squeeze out the juice and you wash your meat. This is what you call washing your meat. Take out all that freshness from the meat, you understand? Wash it real nice. Wash it really nice. And you strain out the excess water. Alright, so this is the amount of thigh that I'm going to be using. Alright, so I'm going to give this a little rinse. I'm going to take out these gloves. Alright, so the next thing you do, you add a little black pepper. Put a little black pepper. If it's not coming out as you want it to come out, just take it out. You put a generous amount of black pepper. Now the salt, I'm just going to put a little tip of salt. Just a little tip. And a little bit. Alright. Here I have some ground ginger. Put a little bit of ground ginger also. Right? Ground ginger, about 1/4 teaspoon. Right? Also here I have some garlic powder. Caribbean tradition garlic powder. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit too. Jerk seasoning. Right? Bardia's jerk seasoning. You want to put some of that also. Jerk chicken coming from Andrea's Trini kitchen, guys. And what a nice cock flavor seasoning. You understand? If you don't have this, you could use Maggie's seasoning, but I have Caribbean tradition cock flavor seasoning. Right? And I find this to season your food real nice. I used it already several times. Find this to season your food real nice. Right? Now, you want to take your hand and massage that chicken. You understand? Because massaging is a very important part of delivering a nice jerk chicken. Okay? So after you massage this using these ingredients here, go wash your hand and you're going to come across on this section here. Now this section have the fresh herbs and stuff like that. You understand? You see? I have some shadow benny. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stalks of shadow benny. Another name for this is culantro. right? You have some thyme. Any amount of thyme you want to put in, it all depends on what you want. So I have 3-4 cloves of garlic, a scotch bonnet pepper or a congo pepper, and an onion. Alright? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash these out. Wash them out nicely, but you don't know what dirt and stuff has been trapped in it. And I'm going to put it in this magic bullet. Chop it up and put it in this magic bullet. If you have a blender, you can put it in a blender. You understand? But there's serious cooking taking place here right now. Enjoy the music. Stock everything going in. The seeds are included, garlic. You take out the husky part of the garlic. I mean 3 or 4 cloves of garlic is just enough. And this is going to be spicy and nice, and I'm going to be making a nice sweet and sour sauce with it. So you know it will sort of neutralize it, you understand? So I'm going to put actually 4 cloves of garlic. Alright, so I take my mallet, my good old mallet, and you help in the process of the mincing. So this is additional seasoning you're going to add to your chicken. Alright? So I'm going to add to this some balsamic vinegar. You can use the regular vinegar if you want. Balsamic vinegar help in the mixing process, okay? You cover up that. Cover it up really nice. And you blend it away. Give it a little shake. Make sure everything is combined. Wow. Oh my goodness. You could smell the aroma of the Caribbean right now. In this little container. All that seasoning combined together. So this is going to be added to that. But before I do that. Okay, this jerk seasoning. It contains 10 ounces. So I'm not going to use all of it. I'm going to use like half. Right? So you add this. Look at that flowing inside that. Oh my goodness. It's flowing in this kitchen. Right, so you can add some of that. And I take my hand, some people put on a glove, but I like to feel, I like to have a connection with the meat. So I'm going to just massage everything, you understand? What this thing smelling like it's ready to eat. Them chicken thighs on them. Smelling real good. Right? You massage it. Wash my hand. Now you're going to add your fresh seasoning. You know, look at all that seasoning in that chicken. You know this thing well seasoned and it's going to marinate for about an hour. I'm leaving it to marinate for about an hour. You understand? Wash my hand again. And what you want to add is a little browning. You put a little browning for additional that dark color here is getting into your chicken. So you put a little browning. You understand? Not much. Because you don't want it too brown, okay? Right, that is enough. Hope I didn't miss out anything. And you massage it again. You know, we in the Caribbean like to massage stuff. You know? We have that sort of emotional connection with the meat and stuff like that. That is why our seasonings are always well done. So I'm going to cover this and let this marinate for an hour, and then I'll show you how I stick it in the oven. Alright, my chicken has been soaking for 1 hour, marinating for 1 hour. If you want, you can marinate this overnight, but I choose not to marinate it overnight. You know why? Because when you put in that jerk seasoning, that's well spicy. That chicken could be so spicy, kids won't be able to eat. So now this thing smelling so good. Oh my goodness, I could eat it just like that. But no, you're gonna have to hold on and wait. This sauce. This thing smells so awesome, I'm telling you. It smells so awesome, I'm telling you. Oh! And I have some red beans and rice on the stove here. Some red beans and rice. Look at that. And I'm going to make a little potato salad. Not much cooking, but focus on this chicken. Alright. So now that the oven is set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to cook this for about 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil. A little bit. Right? This makes the chicken more crispy on its surface. Right? And it have that nice appearance when it's finished. So you put a little olive oil on the top of it. And I'm going to stick it in the oven. Ooh, it goes into the oven. Cook for 1 hour. Now let me make the sauce one time. Then I'll clean up this kitchen, okay? One time I'm making the sauce. Alright. For this sauce, you turn your stove on. You put it to medium. Put it to medium because you don't want the sauce to overcook too quick and thicken up too fast. Alright? So I'm going to make it and just go relax and watch a movie or something like that. You understand? So I have some tomato ketchup. Any kind of ketchup you could use. But this is the thick one, okay? Let's put some ketchup in here. Squirt some ketchup. And then I'm going to add, if you could put water, but I have some chicken broth. I have this for the longest while. I have to make use of it. So I'm going to put a little chicken broth. Okay? Put some chicken broth. Just to cover the surface of the ketchup a little bit. You understand? Give it a little toss. Give it a little toss. I put also a little bit of soy sauce. A little bit of soy sauce. About that amount. And some sugar. Simple, simple, simple. Not too much of ingredients. Right? Some sugar. All these ingredients will be posted in the description box. So don't tell yourself, oh gosh, you're just putting in all these things. How much and how much? Everything is going to be posted in the description box. If you want, you can raise it up a little bit and wait until it starts to bubble. Until it starts to bubble away. Right? See all that lump from the sugar? Sometimes you get sugar without lump, but this one have lump. So you take your spoon and you sort of squash it down. You squash it down. And you could taste it right now to see how it's going. Ah, that is so good. I'll let this cook for about 1 minute. Then I'll turn off the stove. And I'll have my sauce ready for when that chicken is ready. So I'm going to watch a little Netflix now. So see you guys in 1 hour. Okay. I'm going to flip the chicken now. Because you don't want one side to be cooked properly and the other side struggling. You flip it over. Gosh. This thing is cooking in a sea of seasoning. In a sea of seasoning it is cooking. Wow. Look at the color. Wow. I'm going to flip it and let it cook for another half an hour. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Right? Put it back in the oven and cook for another half an hour. And then it should be ready. Okay, folks. The chicken has been in the oven for about an hour and 5 minutes. And look how sumptuous it looks. I'm going to take it out now. Oh my goodness. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. That chicken is so sumptuous. With some red beans and rice. Because you know you can't cook too much of stuff now. Red beans and rice. And some potato salad. So, wow, look at that chicken. So I'm going to take out some of this red beans and rice, which I cooked earlier. Wow, it smells good too. Everything. Alright, and that chicken. Ooh, I like this piece. Oh, that chicken looks so good. Yummy, 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 yummy for the tummy. Right? Like that gravy. And I'm going to put some of this sauce, the sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to just throw some of that right on top here. Right on top there, guys. And now, I'm going to take off some potato salad. And I'm going to put some potato salad right on the side. I have no plantain or anything like that. I wish I had some plantain. I went to the store to get some plantain. But when I see the line, I had to come straight home. You understand? But I love my potato salad with my chicken. So guys, if you like this recipe, I want you to try it out. Try it. Try it out. Oh God, the gravy is so nice. I have to put some gravy on top of that rice. You understand? Try it out and tell me how it tastes. So this is the end product here of my chicken. And this here, folks, is my sweet and sour sauce. Right? So, like my video, give me the thumbs up if you like it. Give me the thumbs up. Share this video. And please subscribe to my channel. And everything is going to be in the notification box below. So look in the notification box for all the ingredients to this video. And hit the bell one time as you're there so you'll be notified of any new videos. So this is the culantro signing off and enjoy.